Hello students, let's study about polynomials. In this video, we have studied value of polynomial and remainder theorem. Value of a polynomial. In a polynomial, if variable is replaced by a number, then we get the value of that polynomial. For example, if we replace x by 2 in the polynomial x plus 2, if we replace x by 2 in the polynomial x plus 2, we get 2 plus 7, and 2 plus 7 means 9, which is the value of that polynomial if x is equal to 2. If px is a polynomial in x, then the value of polynomial for x is equal to a is written as pa. Find the value of polynomial px is equal to 2x square minus 3x plus 5 for x is equal to 2. Polynomial px is equal to 2x square minus 3x plus 5 is given. Put x is equal to 2 in the given polynomial. Therefore, p2 is equal to 2x square means 2 into 2 square minus 3x means 3 into 2 plus 5 is constant. 2 square of 2 is 4 minus 3 to the 6 plus 5. 2 4 is 8 minus 6 plus 5. 8 minus 6 is 2 and 2 plus 5 is 7. Means value of this polynomial for x is equal to 2 is 7. Find the value of py is equal to 2y cube minus 2y plus root 7 for y is equal to minus 2. Solution of this example is py is equal to 2y cube minus 2y plus root 7. But y is equal to minus 2. Therefore, p minus 2 is equal to 2 into minus 2 cube minus 2 into minus 2 plus root 7. 2 cube of minus 2 is minus 8 minus 2 into minus 2 plus root 7. 2 into minus 8, 2 8 is 16 and 8 is minus, that's why answer is minus 16. Minus minus plus 2 to the 4 plus root 7. Minus 16 plus 4. आन्सर काय होईल? वजाबाकी होईल. Minus 16 मधून 4 गेले 12 and sign of 16 is minus, that's why minus 12 plus root 7. For y is equal to minus 2, the value of polynomial is minus 12 plus root 7 or root 7 minus 12. Root 7 minus 12. Next example, if polynomial x is equal to 2x square minus x cube plus ax plus 2, then find p0, means value of x is 0. Solution of this polynomial px is equal to given polynomial is 2x square minus x cube plus x plus 2. But p0 is equal to 2 into 0 square minus 0 cube plus 0 plus 2. 0 square is 0 minus 0 cube is also 0. 0 plus 2. 2 into 0 is 0. Means answer is 2. Means value of this polynomial if x is equal to 0 is 2. Means p0 is equal to 2. Next example. If the value of polynomial m square minus am plus 7 for m is equal to minus 1 is 10. Here value of polynomial is given 10. Then find the value of a. Polynomial is m square minus am plus 7 and value of m is minus 1. P minus 1 is equal to minus 1 square minus a into minus 1 plus 7 minus 1 square is 1 minus 1 minus a into minus 1 minus minus plus a into 1 is a plus 7 is equal to 7 plus 1 is 8 plus a. But p minus 1 is given, p minus 1 is 10. P minus 1 is 10. Therefore, its value of 8 plus a is the value of p minus 1 and here value of p minus 1 is given 10. Therefore 8 plus a is equal to 10. Therefore a is equal to 10 minus 8 means a is equal to 2. Remainder theorem. There is a relation between the value of polynomial x for x is equal to minus a for x is equal to minus a, that is p minus a, and the remainder when px is divided by x plus a. Here x is equal to minus a, that is p minus a, and remainder when px is divided by x plus a. To understand this relation, let's learn the following example. Divide px is equal to 4x square minus x plus 2 by x plus 1. Note that x plus a is x plus 1, means value of a is given here 1. Dividend polynomial is 4x square minus x plus 2 and divisor polynomial is x plus 1. 4x square minus x plus 2 is a dividend, x plus 1 is divisor. Now divide this polynomial by x plus 1. पहा या ठिकाणी पहिली टर्म आहे 4x स्क्वेअर आणि इकडे आहे x. आपल्याला 4x स्क्वेअरला x ने डिवाइड करायचं आहे. इथं x स्क्वेअर आहे म्हणजे x दोन वेळा आहे, म्हणजे ह्यातला एक x आणि हा x निघून जाईल, म्हणजे राहिले काय 4x. तो 4x इथे लिहिल्यावरती 4x इंटू x 4x स्क्वेअर प्लस 4x इंटू 1 4x. साइन्स आर चेंज्ड, मायनस मायनस प्लस 4x स्क्वेअर मायनस x 4x स्क्वेअर कॅन्सल. Minus x minus 4x, both are minus, that's why we can add this 4x plus 1x 5x and similar sign is minus plus 2. Here sign is minus, that's why here sign is also minus. We can divide minus 5x upon x, 5x upon x. This x and this x cancel, remaining is 5. Therefore division is here 5. 4x minus 5. Now multiply 5 minus 5 into x minus 5x minus 5 into plus 1 minus 5. Signs are changed. Plus plus minus 4x plus minus 5x plus 5x cancel. 5 plus 2 7 means remainder is 7. Here quotient is 4x minus 5 and remainder is 7. Let's divide by synthetic division method. This binomial can again divided by synthetic division method. Coefficient form is 4x square, coefficient is 4, minus x, coefficient is minus 1, and here plus 2. Divisor polynomial is x plus 1 and opposite of plus 1 is minus 1. We can write dividend coefficient of dividend 4 minus 1 and 2 and divisor is minus 1. And take 4 1 is 4. But 4 is plus, 1 is minus, that's why answer is minus. Minus 1 minus 4 is minus 5. Again multiply minus 1 into minus 5, minus minus plus, 5 1 is 5 and 5 plus 2 is 7. Here remainder 7 and coefficient of quotient is 4 and minus 5. Variable is x, that's why 4x minus 5. Quotient is 4x minus 5 and remainder is 7. Here also quotient is 4x minus 5 and remainder is 7. It's first equation. Now we will find the relation between remainder and the value of polynomial as follows. In the dividend polynomial 4x square minus x plus 2, put x is equal to minus 1 by using remainder theorem. Px is equal to 4x square minus x plus 2. And p minus 1 is equal to 4 into minus 1 square. Put the value of x, 4 into minus 1 square minus of minus 1 plus 2. Minus 1 square is plus 1, minus minus plus 1, and here 2. 4 1 is 4 plus 1 plus 2. 4 plus 1 plus 2, 4 plus 1 5, 5 plus 2 7 means remainder is 7. Value of the polynomial px for x is equal to minus 1 is also 7. Its second equation. From the statement first and second, the remainder when px is equal to 4x square minus x plus 2 is divided by x plus a, that is x plus 1, and the value of the polynomial px for x is equal to -1, that is p minus 1, both are equal. In statement first, remainder is 7, in statement second also remainder is 7, that means these both are equal. Hence we get the following property: if the polynomial px is divided by x plus a, then the remainder is p minus a, means it is same as the value of the polynomial px for x is equal to minus a, and this theorem is known as remainder theorem. Now examples: divide x raised to 4 minus 5x square minus 4x by x plus 3 and find the remainder. तर हे एक्झाम्पल आपण रिमाइंडर थिरम आणि सिंथेटिक डिव्हिजन या दोन्ही पद्धतीने सोडवणार आहोत. बाय रिमाइंडर थिरम, डिव्हिडंड पॉलिनॉमियल इज x raised to 4 minus 5x square minus 4x and divisor is x plus 3. Therefore x is equal to minus 3. p minus 3 is equal to x raised to 4 means minus 3 raised to 4, minus 5 into x square means minus 3 square, minus 4 into minus 3. Minus 3 raised to 4 is 81, minus 3 square is 9, plus 9 into minus 5, 9 5 is 45, minus 45, minus minus plus 4 3 is 12. p minus 3 is equal to 48, means remainder is 48. This example again solved by using synthetic division method. Then first of all we can write index form. Index form is, here x raised to 3 is missing term, therefore x raised to 4 plus 0x cube minus 5x square minus 4x, also constant term is missing, that's why it can be written as 0. Therefore coefficient form is 1, 0, minus 5, minus 4 and 0. Here we can write coefficient of dividend 1, 0, minus 5, minus 4 and 0. Divisor is x is equal to minus 3, that's why we can write minus 3. Take 1, multiply minus 3 into 1, minus 3, minus 3 remains as it is, minus minus plus 3 3 is 9, minus 5 plus 9, 9 minus 5 is 4, again multiply 4 into minus 3, 4 3 is 12, minus 12, minus 12 and minus 4, we can add these two, for 12 plus 4 16, similar sign is minus, that's why answer is minus 16. Again minus 16 into minus 3, minus minus plus 16 3 is 48, means remainder is 48. By using synthetic division method, remainder is 48, and by remainder theorem method is remainder is also 48. Next example, by using remainder theorem, divide the polynomial x cube minus 2x square minus 4x minus 1 by x minus 1 and find the remainder. Now polynomial x is equal to x cube minus 2x square minus 4x minus 1. Divisor is x minus 1, therefore x is equal to plus 1. Therefore remainder is equal to p1 is equal to 1 cube minus 2 into 1 square minus 4 into 1 minus 1. 1 cube is 1, minus 2, 1 square is also 1, minus 4 1s are 4, minus 1 is equal to 1, 2 1s are 2, minus 2, minus 4 and minus 1. Minus 2, minus 4, minus 1, both are minus. 2 plus 4 6, 6 plus 1 7, means 1 minus 7. 1 minus 7 is equal to minus 6, therefore remainder is minus 6. Next example, if the polynomial t cube minus 3t square plus kt plus 50 is divided by t minus 3, the remainder is 62. Find the value of k. When the given polynomial is divided by t minus 3, the remainder is 62. It means the value of polynomial when t is equal to 3 is 62. Therefore pt is equal to, given polynomial is t cube minus 3t square plus kt plus 50 by using remainder theorem. remainder P3 is equal to 3 cube minus 3 into 3 square plus k into 3 plus 50. Cube of 3 is 27 minus 3 into 3 square is 9 plus 3 into k is 3k plus 50. 27 minus 3 nines are 27 plus 3k plus 50 plus 27 and minus 27 cancel, 3k plus 50, but remainder is given, it's 62. Remainder is 62, therefore 3k plus 50 is equal to 62. 3k is equal to 62 minus 50 means 3k is equal to 12. K is equal to 12 upon 3 and value of k is 3 4 is the 12. Value of k is 4. Thanks for watching.